Hey, what?
Look.
What is it?
It's superheroes.
Did Christmas come?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm good. I'm gonna tell Sophie that Santa bring all of our toys.
Okay, go get her.
Guess what, Sophie? Santa bring you our toys. Ta-da! Ta-da! I got Iron Man, Captain America, Batman, and Ninja Turtle.
Merry Christmas, Sophie.
Huh?
Merry Christmas.
Hey, those were the toys I wanted. Ponies.
Yeah, ponies.
Hey, but these are my soft toys that I can sleep with.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But can I take them?